So our organisation is one that focuses on delivering competitive advantage to our clients who are seeking transformative change. And what I guess mean by that is we're basically facilitating that through world-leading services in design, analysis and optimization of structures, through the use of proven materials manufacturing solutions in order to achieve low-risk adoption of composites and implementing those composites. We do that through the work and knowledge we have in the area of maintenance and inspection of these materials. And we also have a portfolio of innovative products and processes that we are available for commercialisation. And the way we offer our service is really through a complete capability, what we call our product development cycle. So from initial design and analysis of the structure, through to how do we go about manufacturing that structure, through the process of producing prototypes, then evaluating those prototypes through testing, and then that rolling into production for both small and large runs, and also transfer of that technology through to the customer as well. So in terms of the area of space engineering and space manufacturing related activities, we've been involved in a number of projects. Four I just want to highlight. Been involved in a project on the design of composite launcher vehicles. So here we're developing new design approaches which are taking into account imperfections which are sensitive to the composite launcher structure itself. Been involved working with NASA, looking at the retrofit of floor beams on their TRACK program, which stands for Transport Rotorcraft Airframe Crash Testbed. There we ran a project where we designed a composite floor beam for absorbing of energy, including crush elements. And this was both designed, simulated, manufactured, and then tested in the US. We've been working on the area of retractable satellite booms, so using carbon fibre materials to produce ultra lightweight retractable booms, which can be used for things such as CubeSats, enable the deployment on instruments, communication devices, and arrays. And we've also been working more recently in the area of ultra high temperature composite materials. So here we're looking at developing materials and manufacturing processes which can be then used in ultra high temperature applications of up to 2400 degrees Celsius. So being used as things such as in launch vehicles, rocket nozzles, nose cones. Our organisation is located in the Fisherman's Bend precinct, Port Melbourne. That precinct has a very long history in aerospace, defence and automotive research and development, as well as in design, engineering and advanced manufacturing. There is a strong aerospace presence in the region. And as well as that, I think our precinct is also very complementary to other advanced manufacturing clusters. We know in the sort of south and east of the Pollen area, we have large manufacturers of automotive and transport equipment, companies establishing capability in additive manufacturing. In the north, we have companies specialised in steel products and specialised machines. In the west, heavy engineering and prefabricated construction. And then we've got in Geelong, we have a centre there specialising in carbon fibre. I was also asked just to give a bit of a flavour of the international collaboration that takes place in Victoria. This is an example of one project called DesiCos, coming out of a cooperative research centre. As a company, we've been a partner in a number of international collaborations over the years. We've been involved in programs such as the European Framework Projects, the Office of Naval Research, the US Air Force Office of Scientific Research, as well as NASA. So we're highly experienced in these types of collaborations and partnerships and appreciate the benefits that one can achieve in being involved in such projects. And this is an example of one where we were a partner in a 3-year EU project, which was looking at new robust design guidelines for imperfection-sensitive composite launcher vehicles. We were involved in that over the 3-year period, had a number of project partners, Airbus Defence and Space, Delft, a number of universities, the DLR. In that project, we were able to develop new methods to design these structures, which were previously didn't cover composite materials, so they were traditionally looking at metallic structures. So that's my presentation. Hopefully I've given you a flavour of what we do as an organisation, what's taking place in our great state and the opportunities in doing business in Victoria. Thank you.